Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Gemini CLI with a free API key that it provides you from Google AI Studio. The first step you need to do, you need to install Gemini CLI. If you haven't already done that, go to their official website and simply copy this command npm install -g for globally installing it. Simply copy this command, go to your terminal and simply install Gemini CLI. I've already installed it, so if you directly type Gemini directly inside the terminal, the CLI will start, and after that it will ask you for the API key. So Gemini does provide you with a free API key, which is totally free. So it doesn't require you to have a subscription. So once it launches, there are three authentication options. Either you can sign in with Google. We will choose the second option, which is the API key authentication. Simply select use Gemini API key. And now to get the API key, it's very simple. It's actually telling you to visit Google AI Studio. So for that, simply type here on Google AI Studio. And for that, you need to have a account on Google. Just create a free account on Google if you don't already have. And from this Google AI Studio, you can get a free API key. And in this way, you can create unlimited applications. So once you go to this platform, you have this option to create the API key. So just give it a name, select your project. I've already created one project. So click on create key. So then it will give you your API key like this. So simply copy this and come to here and simply paste this API key. So enter it, and now as you see, now we are successfully there inside the Gemini CLI model. So we have various commands out there. You can select from a variety of models. By default, Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview, Gemini 3.5 Flash is selected. You can also manually select the model. So all these models are there. You can select any of these models. So simply type a message, and as soon as you type the message, it will respond to you. It is actually reading the hello, how can I help you with your project today? So we will try to build out a simple application. I will see. So I can even ask any kind of question, top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So if you're looking forward for a free AI coding agent, Gemini CLI is totally free. Simply create API key that I showed you and simply configure, and you will get a fully fledged AI coding agent. So it's a good alternative to tools like Claude, GPT, Qwen, DeepSeek, Gemini CLI. So basically, as I ask the question, it is doing Google search. It is researching the internet for top Node.js frameworks, and then it will show me the top frameworks of Node.js in 2026 directly in the terminal. So it will take some time for researching it. If you do want to cancel it, you can press the escape key. So in this easy way. So you will see that, let me simply tell it to build a image to PDF web app in browser and create a index.html file. So as you see, we simply ask a question to create a image to PDF application and create an index.html file. So now as you see, it is creating this application. So once it is completed, you will get the notification. So In this easy way, you can configure a free API key from Google AI Studio to use the Gemini CLI directly inside your terminal for totally free, and it will basically create the application. So you will see that now it is initializing the project and design plan. I'm starting a new project to build a ID profile. You simply allow the permission. So it is creating this image to PDF browser based web application. So you can see that. So it will simply ask a question, simply answer it either yes or no. So now you can see it is implementing this image to PDF application. So you can see it all or created the file here, project completed. Almost 600 lines of code has been successfully written. This is a complete application which is created. A little bit disadvantage of this Gemini CLI, it is little bit slow as compared to other AI coding agents, but it is totally free and it creates your application. So you can see that it created the application for you. So in this easy way, you can get started on setting up a free API key in Gemini CLI. Definitely try this, and thank you very much for watching this video.